Okay, let's come over and look at CL next. So we came down, this is just the 15-minute chart here. We came down and made another low yesterday. We stayed above the validation level, and it was a spike and reversal through the 886 retrace fib. And we saw that back in April time. Let me just find the 4-hour chart. Sorry. This low down here did exactly the same thing, and then we got this to the upside. I'm looking for a repeat performance from CL. I'm looking for this to be the bottom of a B wave, and that we get a straightforward 5-wave impulse up to the 77.98 to our target in CL. But we need to hold preferably above the low we made the other day, and certainly above 64.44. Below 64.44 makes life difficult in terms of analysing and therefore trading the CL. At the moment, I've got 5 up to here for a 1, a 2 back, 1 up just into the 764 fib, 2 back, we've hit the 618, and we're starting to push up again. I'm looking for a 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I'm looking for the 5-wave impulse up to 68.91 or higher, one of these fibs up here, then the pullback, and so on and so forth in CL. Just taking that right down to the 15-minute chart, and there you can see the 1, 2, 1, and we're right at that 618. We can come down one more fib, 66.06, but we're starting to bounce off the 618. And then if I take that over to the day trading chart, where I've transposed the fib levels also onto the day trading chart, you can see we're just on the lower blue line, the 138.2, and the top of the target box for this too. So I'm looking for this to start to push up imminently and complete the rest of the structure outlined on the shorter time, excuse me, losing my voice, shorter time frame charts next. Okay, natural gas is slowly driving me insane, I have to say. Off the top, same thing. I've got this 5 down to here for a 1, 2, 3 into the 1.0, 4 into the 764 retrace, A, B, and it is either a 1, 2, and we're going to start to come down, or we're going to take this region out up here, in which case Brian's alternative count, where we've got one last high, is left in place. But this thing just does not want to come out of this confounded range, and until it does, I can't give you any better clues than the ones I've been giving you each morning in natural gas. So that's the best I've got, I'm afraid. At the moment, we've just poked above the blue and orange lines. I'm looking for that to reverse. I'm not even day trading this thing at the moment. It's just too precarious in terms of the position and the price action to warrant taking the risk of even day trading it.